Okay, hey, it's Mr. G and more than a 1 minute video. All right, we're here at Bergen Community College. This is Jan. Okay, and today we got something special for you. We got an experiment. We're gonna drop something on the floor that he made. We're gonna do destruction. But before we do that, we gotta introduce a couple people. Behind you on the camera is Kevin.
What's up, guys?
Everybody knows Kevin. Okay, right here is Manny.
Hey.
Manny's visiting. He is a native of New Jersey, but he escaped. He has escaped the magnetism of Jersey. He went out west, and he owns a machine shop and a manufacturing facilities. He's an engineer brains, and he's like, we're glad to have him because he can help us out here. But just to give you an overview, if you've never been in this room before, this is the Bergen Community College SA 119 electric vehicle project. Okay, and over here, this is our bench test. I'm sure you guys seen this before. This is the speed controller. We got batteries down below, right? We got the motor in here, and we've built all the adapters and whatnot, and this is the project. But today we got something special. We're in the summer one, and what's going on is that, just to explain, long story short, we have new people involved. Yeah. We got new people. Okay, we got new people involved in the class, and we have some people that have been with us for two semesters. But what we did was, for the new people involved, I feel like there's 4 quintessential or important parts to work on the vehicle. Okay, and the first part is you have to know how to do mechanical. And so if you come over here, the first thing we do, if you join this group, now this is a new policy, right, is we take apart a small engine and put it back together. But I know how to do this. It's your turn. So everyone here has done it. Kevin's done it, Jan did it, and Manny's not in our group, but he would do this blindfolded. He could do it blindfolded. Actually, that would be an interesting video. I feel like I could do it blindfolded. I feel like I would do that. You could do it too, I know it.
Maybe.
Yeah. Anyway, but the point is that you should be familiar with the socket wrenches and the idea of torque specifications and the concept of the flywheel and the electromagnetism and the spark plug and the 4-stroke process. Yes, we're working on electric vehicles, but this is the beginning of mechanics right here, okay? That's part 1. What's part 2, Jan?
Electrical?
Yes. You want to show them what you're working on for part 2? Okay, right there.
So for electrical, we had the challenge of making a flashlight and an LED, an electromagnet. So this part right here is a coil of wire, and once it turns on, it can pick up a piece of metal. Like this. This is a little too heavy.
That's probably too heavy. Take a little washer. Here's a washer. Oh, he's got it.
And so when I press this, it'll activate the magnet, and I can pick it up.
It works!
Yeah.
Dude, up top.
Thanks.
I'm impressed. I'm seriously impressed. He made this out of like scratch, recycled pieces. Look at that.
And then you can turn it on with the little switch.
And it's got a light.
And it still works with it.
Really?
Actually, no. It actually drains.
Oh, it drains it. Okay,
Yeah.
don't kill it because we're not done yet. Now, how many batteries are in there?
2 AAAs.
Oh, really? Okay. And are they in parallel or are they in series?
They're in series.
Okay, so you went for higher voltage.
Yeah.
Okay, but you're at the same amps.
Yeah.
What is it, like an amp or so? Do you know?
I'm not too sure.
Okay, and you wound up the wire here? And now how did you, you coated the wire yourself.
Yeah.
Now I understand.
Yeah.
You took a copper wire and spray painted it?
No, I took acrylic paint and then
No
I ran
way.
it over like that. Yeah.
This is what I'm talking about. This is, ladies and gentlemen, Jan. Let me tell you, what's your last name?
Tallington?
Tallington.
Yeah.
Jan Tallington.
Jan Tallington, everybody. Let me tell you, I've never seen this from a student before, but that's the purpose, is that we let you work on your own projects so that you can, have the chance, I know it sounds funny, but the chance to fail. And once you it didn't work the first time, right?
No.
Perfect.
Like
That's why he made
was I call it the marker.
the marker.
Yeah,
Oh
the
yeah,
marker
you had
machine,
it. Yeah.
yeah.
But now that you failed, then you saw how to do it, and you got a chance to change it. And now today is the final day. Today we're actually going to drop it 5 feet, which is scary, but that's the test.
Right.
Okay. Before we get to that, before we get to that, that was number 2. So mechanical, number 2 is electrical. And why electrical? Obviously the electric car, right? We know about that. And the third one is fabrication. So fabrication, I feel like you should, for this project, you should know how to weld, or at least familiarize yourself with welding, right? We did welding the other day, MIG welding, and you should know what the mill does, and you should know what the lathe does. And Kevin, behind the camera, let me see. So you've done a mill and a lathe project. You did that with Mark Balzeret?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, at the Bergen College, we have a manufacturing lab, and the shop basically consists of the lathe, for example. You have the MIG and TIG machine for welding, and we have the milling machine.
Right, right.
And there's just so much that I can't even say on top of my head, but there's a lot of opportunities that Bergen has.
Yeah, it's underrated. Mm-hmm. Would you agree when I say it's underrated?
Absolutely. Bergen is absolutely underrated. There's so many opportunities here that people don't even know about.
Yeah.
That's only because you gotta inform yourself. So
nice. Oh, nice. Okay. And the last part, let's see, grab the camera again. The last part is design. And design, I feel like, falls under the category of like CAD programs and measurement, but also your strength to weight ratio. So that's something I think people skip over. A lot of people say, if you want it to be stronger, you make it heavier, you add parts. Not necessarily. You could think of a way to make something stronger using ingenuity, your brain, trial and error. So that's the last one. And what do you think of it, Benny? What do you think? Is there anything I'm missing in that kind of, thing?
I don't know. You kind of put me on the spot, but
okay, I didn't know. That's not.
I would say that.
But do you like that the 4 corners of the thing?
I think we've talked about this before.
Okay.
I think your 4 corners program is a good. It's a good route, a good platform to start with for this particular project.
Right.
You can't have people coming in cold, not knowing. Definitely have to have some fundamentals going into this situation here.
And I'm sure, Manny, if we give him a chance to think about it, he will come up with another one or an improvement. And I'm always taking suggestions. He's kind of like my advisory committee. So should we get to the main event?
Yeah.
The main event. We're dropping this thing. Okay. All right, so I'm going to let you drop it, but first let's just demonstrate it one more time. Can I try it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. So we put a washer. Mm-hmm. Okay, I take the bobby pin and I just hold it down. Let's see. Oh, totally works. Look from the side. What a cool design. See? Like this, and then when you go like this, let's see. Batteries.
Yeah, batteries probably dead.
We killed it. Does the light work?
Yeah.
The light still works. Maybe. Let me see.
Oh, you gotta squeeze hard.
You get it to work.
Because you gotta touch this metal piece.
Oh, I didn't realize that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. So you have to hit. Oh, that's part. Okay.
Yeah, because that's connected to the battery.
Got it. Look at that. And then when I let go, it drops. Perfect. Okay. Let me tell you what's cool about this. You can make a magnet work on demand. And that's what is the basis of electric motors. That's why it's important for this. Basically, an electric motor, real simple. You have the magnet turns on and rotates the rotor, and then it turns off, and then the next one turns on and rotates, and it chases itself. So that's like the simplest way to explain it. But in this video, but basically it chases itself, but it's electromagnets. You're turning magnets on and off, and they're following each other. Okay, and the flashlight works, right? Click. That works perfectly. Dude, this thing's such a cool thing.
Thanks.
You ever seen MacGyver? Has anybody ever seen MacGyver? You saw MacGyver?
Yeah.
This is MacGyver. This is like what happened.
I don't know.
I'm telling you. Let's look at these details before we drop it. He actually did a compound curve by cutting pie cuts into it so he could have an end. And then he actually had here, he curled it over and he wrapped over here. He's got a zip tie keeping it all together. And then, what is this here inside of here?
That's from a pen. The point of the pen. I don't have a pen.
That's crazy.
Right here.
Look at this.
Like this part I cut off.
Oh.
And I just stuck it in there.
Wow.
Because the LED was too small of a diameter.
Oh, I see. And then that gives it its like housing.
Yeah,
down in a
pretty
way.
much.
So cool. And then this here, what did you put on top of this? Oh, hot glue.
Epoxy. but
Epoxy.
It didn't set properly.
Okay.
So it looks kind of like hot glue.
Oh, okay.
But that's hot glue.
And this is a nail?
Yeah, that's a nail.
Oh man, this is so cool. What a cool thing. All right, I love it. I think it looks evil too. It kind of looks like
it's like something you'd find like in a newer base layer or something.
Dude, it looks like something out of a Star Wars or something. Like you know,
little bit. Yeah,
like
yeah.
Star Wars always has that battle worn, futuristic but yet worn out look. And dude, you achieved that. I think you could like market these. These are cool. Like, you know what I mean? Like, got my flashlight. Oh, electromagnet. It's like a magic trick. You could be like, bitch, you don't know how I did that. You know? Anyway, all right. Okay, I'm gonna let you drop it.
Okay.
We're gonna drop it. We're gonna pick it up, and we're gonna test it out. And if it survives, cash prizes.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Oh,
What'd you do?
I put markers.
Really?
Jan's, he's not playing.
Dude, yeah, he don't play around.
5 feet, 6 feet, 7 feet.
This guy.
This was not required, by the way.
I had time, you know?
Welcome to Jan's world. This is perfect.
You ready?
Yeah.
5 feet.
Woo! It turned on itself. Okay, let's get the washer. Okay, it clearly works, right? It's still working.
It hit the switch. The other way.
Oh yeah. And dude!
Yeah.
Congratulations. Okay. Boom. Like I said.
No.
You just do it. I said I was gonna do it. Cash prizes.
You put it for the
No.
project.
No, buy yourself a burger or something.
Just take it, Jan.
No,
Just
no,
take
no,
it.
here. Put it there. Cash
Heart.
prizes. Congratulations. That was awesome. Yeah. I'm proud of you.
See you guys.
I'm proud of you. Awesome. All right, cool. And so, yeah, we don't know unnecessary.
Okay.
I don't want to break it.
Oh.
I was glad it survived the 5 feet. Unless you want to test it out.
Yeah, might as well.
Really? He's going for. Nah, it's fine.
No, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah, might as well.
All right. Okay. So what's this?
5 feet.
What's this?
6.
Where do you want? So what do you want to do next?
We'll just do 8. I mean, yeah, is that?
I'm gonna reject some.
Yeah, it's
So
8.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
I can't reach 8.
Oh.
I could.
You got it? He's got it. All right, ready? Hold on. Wait, let me put this on the floor. Okay, I got it. And here, Jan, hold the thing.
Which one?
This part. Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2.
Ooh, that was a big hit. That was a big hit. Let's see what happens. Does it turn on? No. Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Wow! And can you pick up the
Where is it?
right here? Oh!
Oh, gee, come on.
Yeah, we got another one. We got another one.
Gee, you're fired.
Going to get another one.
You're fired.
Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go.
You gotta squeeze the.
Oh, it works! It works! Turn it off. Oh, that was awesome. Up top.
Nice.
All right, chest bump.
Oh no.
Ugh.
Take a beating, man.
Dude, I can't believe it.
Dude, I hot glued everything.
That thing's awesome. It's a good job, right? He
Thank
did
you.
good. We're all happy. Everybody's excited. This is fun. All right, we're gonna sign out. Okay, thanks for tuning in. I'm Mr. G.
That's a 1 minute video.
That's your longer than 1 minute video. We got Kev, Manny, and Jan, and also there's some other people in this group. We got AJ, Gio.
Stay tuned fall semester.
Stay tuned. We got a couple other people coming, right? Melvis,
Nate, DJ, AJ,
what? AJ.
Jan's here. I'm here.
Yeah.
Jesse.
Jesse,
Yeah,
right.
coming back.
Jesse's coming back. We got people. And somehow we're going to get this thing going. We're going to run the wheels. Okay, cool. All right, signing out. See you later. Okay. All right.